reputation says that I fall too fast. They try to twist it, try to make it sound bad, but I don't care. No, I don't care. I broke some hearts and had my heart broken too, and that's the risk I took when I fell for you. But I don't care. No, I don't care. This is just the way I am.